Okay.
I want to see one of those open carry guys that's walking up and down the street with an AR.
They're going to can.
We're finding the baffles from the Huntertown arms can. This is the first baffle, so it traveled that far downrange. Yeah, the next baffle made it a little further downrange, as you can see. And then the other baffle is right over here. So that is the remains of the Huntertown arms can. And it probably made it about 25 yards downrange. So here we are.
Going hot.
That's the tube. So okay, so if you look at this, this is the Samson rail. When this can gave way, you can see where it split the rail. There's where the can split. But as it gave way, it literally split the rail all the way back to the gas, actually behind the gas block. Well, to the gas block. So look at that.
Where's your lower at?
Yeah, that's why.